Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of Maths. So today we will take one question of coordinate geometry where we need to find when a line 2x plus 3y minus 30 equal to 0, the equation of the line is given, when it crosses through another line which is just formed by joining A and B whose coordinates are given as 3 and 4 and 7 and 8. So we need to find the ratio in which the line joining A and B will be divided. That is by the another line 2x plus 3y minus 30 equal to 0. Right? So let us solve this question. Right? The situation will be like this. When we'll join the line A and B, right, then I have shown it with a green color, the line joining A and B, and the another line 2x plus 3y minus 30 is represented in blue color over here. So I am writing here the equation of the second line, right. So let us assume this line whose end points are A and B, right, A here and B below, A having coordinates 3 4 and B having the coordinates 7 and 8. Let the another line divides the line joining A and B into the ratio of k is to 1. Right? We use the section formula to solve this equation. And the point where it intersects with is having the coordinates x and y. So let the point is P. Now, what we will do? Just I am explaining the same thing over here. Let P of xy, let the point P having the coordinates x and y is the point where the line 2x plus 3y minus 30 intersects, right, where the line 2x plus 3y minus 80, no, not 80, it will be 30, right, minus 30 is equal to 0 passes or crosses, right. So let it be P of x and y, P having the coordinates xy, right, that is the line. It will divide the line into the ratio of k is to 1. But which line? The line which is divided is the line AB, right? So I am just highlighting over here so that the concept will be very much clear to you and you will be able to understand it very clearly, right? So the PXY is a point where 2x plus 3y minus 30 bifurcates it into the ratio of k is to 1. Bifurcates which line? AB, right? So, by using the section formula, we will write the coordinates of P of xy, right? So, I will write over here the coordinates of x and y. But prior to that, I have left something over here, so I will just, I am writing over here that the line joining A and B and divides it into the ratio k is to 1. K is to 1, right? Ratio. Now, the coordinates of x and y, the point P having the coordinates xy can be calculated by using the section formula, right? The coordinates of x will be k times x2. x2 is 7. So k into 7 plus 1 into x1, that is 3. So plus 1 into 3, right? Divided by k plus 1. This is the section formula, if you remember. Yeah. We have not taken m and n because if we have taken m and n, then there will be two variables. And this is not the right way to take up this question, to solve this question. Because if we have one equation with two variables, then it would not have been solved. Right? So that's why I have just taken the ratio as, assumed the ratio as k is to 1, in which the line AB is divided. Similarly, the coordinates of point y is k times x2, that is 8, plus 1 times, sorry, k times y2, that is k into 8, plus 1 into y1, that is 4. So k into 8 plus 1 into 4, that is equal to 8k plus 4 divided by k plus 1. So this is the coordinate of y in the form of k, right? Similarly, the coordinate of x can be written as 7k plus 3 divided by k plus 1, right? Exactly. Now you can see 2x plus 3y minus 30 is bisecting this line, or just dividing this line into the ratio. Not bisecting is not the proper word, because bisection means dividing equally. So it 2x plus 3y minus 30 will divide the line joining AB into the ratio k is to 1. So the point P of xy is a point which is lying on 2x plus 3y minus 30 also, right? So this P point having the coordinates x and y will satisfy the equation 2x plus 3y minus 30 equal to 0, right? So Pxy satisfy the equation 2x plus 3y minus 30 is equal to 0, right? So here the value of x, just put up the value of x as 7k plus 3 by k plus 1, and value of y as 8k plus 4 divided by k plus 1. Just this 7k plus 3 highlighting in red color, just put up over here in place of x 2 into x, that means 2 into 7k plus 3 by k plus 1, right? Plus 3 times y, 3 times y. So what is the value of y, which we have already highlighted over here by the yellow color, underlined by yellow color? So this x is put over here, 2 into x, so 2 into 7k plus 3 by k plus 1. Similarly, putting up the value of y, 3 into y. So where is y? Here one line above, two lines above, we have derived y into the form of k as y equal to 8k plus 4 by k plus 1, right? Here I have just highlighted or encircled in green color. So putting up the value of y over here, 8k plus 4 by k plus 1, right? And what is the third term left into the equation? That is minus 30. So writing over here minus 30. So minus 30 is equal to 0. So just solve this equation to get the value of k. This is normal algebra. You can do the arithmetic calculations and solve it, bringing the variables on the one side, taking LCM k plus 1. K plus 1 will go into the RHS. This is just simple calculation. I know you are able to solve it very easily. So I've just speed up, just increase the speed of the video over here so that you can understand the calculations. So here we get the value of k as 12 by 8, that is 4 by, sorry, 3 by 2. So we can say 2x plus 3y minus 30, right? 2x plus 3y minus 30 equal to 0 will divide the line joining A and B into the ratio of 3 is to 2, into the ratio of 3 is to 2, right? So this is our answer. So always like and subscribe to my channel and keep on learning. Thank you.